Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kat. It is that time again. I have my Sephora Play box. This is for April. I forgot for a second what month we're in. If the months keep flying by pretty fast. Yeah, this is the Sephora Play box for April. This is a monthly subscription. You get 5 samples plus a extra, which is usually a perfume sample, and recently they've been doing hair samples, which I really like that they've been doing. And I saw the video on their YouTube channel, and I'm pretty excited. They have like a bunch of new products that they added to the boxes, which I'm pretty excited about. I was good, and I didn't look at any spoilers. I didn't look up the code on. There's a way to, if you go on the Sephora website and you look under your tracking info or your order information, there's a 3-digit number at the back of your order number, I think it is, and that'll tell you which box you're getting, and you can find out what products you're getting in your box if you want to know. But I usually try to not find out, but I am excited. There's a bunch of new products, so let's jump into this. I pay for this, by the way. This is $10 a month plus tax, and this is not sponsored. This is just me who loves makeup paying for this subscription box. This is the only subscription box I get. I'm thinking about getting BoxyCharm, but yeah, right now this is the only subscription box I get. So you get inside the box you get this sheet, and you get like little monthly things. It's kind of like a little magazine, mini magazine you get for the month, and you get your Sephora Play Pass, which is 50 points that you can only redeem in stores, unfortunately. So you make a purchase in store, you bring this card with you, they will put 50 more points on your card. So let's look at the bag for this month. Okay, it says, they got it. That was pretty good. Okay, it says, make it snappy. What is this month's theme? Let me see if it says on here, because this will say, Insta Beauty bucket list. How many of these social media classics have you captured? So, okay, I guess it's like Insta Beauty is okay, yeah, April 2018. Insta Beauty is this month's theme. So the bag says make it snappy, so that makes sense that since it's Instagram theme, I guess, this month, which is funny, I don't even have an Instagram. I have a Facebook and a Twitter, and that's it. I don't have an Instagram. So, okay, let's find out what's in this bad boy. Let me see if I can find the sample, the free product first. Okay, I think I feel a perfume sample, yes. And this is the Elizabeth and James Nirvana White. Okay, Musk and Peony. Okay, that sounds cool. Oh, very cool. I didn't know that this was by Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. So this is what the inside of the card looks like. That's what the full size of the bottle would be. And I usually like Musk perfumes and peonies, so this I'll probably like. Let me spray it. Okay, yeah, I like that. That's a very good summer and spring scent. Very fresh and clean. Definitely like that. It's very cool. So let's see what the next product is. I've got a tube of something. Okay, very cool. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. That is a mouthful. So that is basically a pore perfecting primer. So that's interesting. I'll give that a try out. I'm kind of 50-50 on primers. Some of them work and some of them I think seem to make my makeup wear off faster. I don't know. I'm kind of undecided on how I feel about primers. But yeah, I'll definitely give that one a try. Let's see, what else do we have in here? I've got another little small bottle, and oh, okay, it must have fallen out of this card. This is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Okay, what is with all of these brands and these really long names for their products? This is the card that it came in, and this is the lip gloss that I got. It's a pink kind of holographic lip gloss. And does it say what color it's in? The color SPL. So that's a pretty decent size sample, so that's cool. I was looking at these lip glosses, so I was interested in trying these. And I'm glad I got one of the holographic ones. Okay, so yeah, this could be a really good lip topper. It's right here. It's, just an iridescent, shiny lip gloss with flecks of glitter in it, so that will definitely get used. Okay, let's see what is... This kind of smelled like peppermint when I waved my arm by me. Interesting. Okay, the next product is from Makeup Forever, the Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF. Again, another long-ass name. Color number 8. Let's see if this will be my color. This seems will be like a BB cream or something, so usually those are a little more forgiving in color, but that's a little dark for my skin tone right now, but for the summer that might end up working. So let me see what it looks like. Yeah, that looks like right now it might be a little dark, or I might be able to mix it in with a foundation, or I have a BB cream that is a little too light for me, so I might be able to mix this with something. But right now that's a little dark for me, but during the summer, once my skin gets a little tan, that will work a lot better. But yeah, it is a BB cream, so like I said, it does sheer out. So once you once you slap on some concealer and powder and everything, it'll probably even out with some bronzer and stuff. But yeah, that's cool. At least I have something to use once summer comes and my skin gets a little darker. I do wear sunscreen, but my skin somehow always ends up getting tan no matter how much sunscreen I put on, and I carry a little spray bottle with spray sunscreen in it. So I definitely, with the money I'm paying for all of this glycolic acid toners and skincare stuff, and it is actually working. I don't want to reverse the progress I'm getting from the skincare I'm using, so I'm very religious about using sunscreen now more than ever. So yeah, I seem to get tan no matter even if I put sunscreen on or not. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, I have 2 more products. This is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer from Philosophy. I've never really tried anything from Philosophy, so that's cool. Definitely always good, especially during the summertime. I don't wear as much foundation, so I like to, carry a moisturizer because I do have dry skin, so this definitely helps to, pick up my dry skin in the middle of the day. So Yeah, just a basic moisturizer. Nothing special, but that's all. It's always good to have, an extra moisturizer. But that does feel nice. Does feel nice. Okay, the last product is. What is the last product? It is from Fresh. It is the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. Seaweed Radiant Facial. What is this? Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask is a 5-minute facial designed to combat signs of tired and overstressed skin, revealing incredibly smooth and radiant results after just one use. I think this is what's smelling like peppermint, maybe. But this, I think, is like, it seems like an exfoliating mask. Yeah, it looks like it through the glass jar, but that's cool. I like they have the little protector so the product won't go bad as quickly and won't get spoiled from the air. Yeah, that's a scrub or exfoliating mask of some type, so that's cool. That's always good to have. Like I said, I have dry skin, so it's always nice to have a good exfoliator on hand. So yeah, very happy with everything I got this month. Glad they actually are adding new products in, and yeah, for $10 I definitely got my $10 worth. So like I said, you can sign up on Sephora.com for this. It is just $10 plus your state's tax. And I unfortunately last week couldn't post anything because every day I tried to film, there was construction going on in one of my neighbor's yards, and over the weekend, the building right next to me, it sounded like they were having a family reunion or something going on all weekend, so there was a lot of partying and drinking and yelling going on in the backyard, so next to me, so filming just wasn't happening. But I've got some really cool videos coming up. I've been doing some spreadsheets on how long it'll take me to use up some of my makeup, and how much I've spent on products and stuff. And so I'm doing it kind of as a makeup boot camp, and just reminding myself, like, I don't need new products all the time. And that's another video, so I don't really want to get into that. But yeah, that's going to be coming up later on in the week. I'm just finalizing up some numbers and stuff on my spreadsheets, but I'm really excited to put those videos up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good night. Speak to you soon. Bye.